Today we are making a rice paper sandwich. And when you know how to use it, it's delicious. And then you don't have to use bread anymore. It's great. What I've realized with the rice paper is take them out of the bag, put them on the top of your counter, then take a bowl with water and a brush and just brush the rice paper from both sides. But don't use a lot of water, because more water you use, it's harder to use the rice paper. It becomes too mushy. I chopped up the arugula so it's easier to take a bite. So the first thing I did, I put the arugula on the bottom, then I put 2 tablespoons of tuna fish, and then I put 1 teaspoon of my avocado mayonnaise. Boy, when you take a bite of this sandwich, it's a game changer. I mean, you taste the mayonnaise a little bit with avocado, you taste the tuna fish, you taste a little bit of the red onion, the cucumber. It's very refreshing. I think you're going to love it. You are going to love it. Remember, how we eat is how we feel. I do enjoy taking a regular recipe and make it healthier. If you have a recipe you would like me to make it healthier, please send me an email.